Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Spread the granulated sugar and brown sugar over the yams to evenly distribute. Top with the cubes of butter evenly over the top. Place the yams into the oven to bake 10 minutes. The butter should be melted and the candied mixture at the bottom of the baking dish.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Directions. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. In a large saucepan over medium heat, combine margarine, brown sugar, 2 cups marshmallows, cinnamon and nutmeg. Stir potatoes into marshmallow sauce. Bake in preheated oven for 15 minutes.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cooked yams are tubers that come in an extensive variety. They tend to be fairly sweet, but they're not particularly sugary. The purple-skinned Japanese yams with yellowish flesh, for example, are on the sweeter side, while purple yams are only vaguely sweet with a crispy nutty taste.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Fill the pot with just enough salted water to cover the yams and add a dash of salt. Bring to a boil and cook, covered for 20 to 25 minutes or until tender. If you can pierce the flesh with a fork or knife, they're ready.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
However, if you do, candied yams are best eaten the same day, but you can freeze what is left of your yams and place in the freezer up to 6 months. Sometimes they will lose some structural integrity in the freezer, and be a little mushy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.